Hey guys, Patrick Drive EXP Realty. I'm out here at 160 Sugar Pine Drive in Richmond Hill, Georgia. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2 bath home with 1,891 square feet, offered at $391,990. This is a brand new construction home with D.R. Horton's The Booth plan. Let's go check it out. All right, there it is from the front. As you can see, 2-car garage, and I love this plan because it's wide open space. Here's the neighborhood so you can see right there. All right, let's go inside and get some brick in the front there. I love that accent. I love this color scheme they got going on. Here's your foyer. As you walk in, you'll see right here, you got yourself a coat closet, but tons of wide open space. Look at that. Wide open stainless steel appliances over here, granite countertops. I love the bar right here. You can actually fit stools underneath here, so you could actually eat at the bar. Fantastic. Stainless steel appliances, except for refrigerator, does not come with one right there. You got your dishwasher, corner pantry. Love that, tons of space. You got a dining area right there. Put a table and look outside. But let's go to the primary bedroom. As you walk in here, you see ginormous. You can definitely fit king size bed in here all day. It's fantastic. Come over here, you see right into the walk-in closet over here. It's long. You fit a ton of clothes in here. I'm gonna go over here to the primary bathroom, dual vanity, quartz countertops. I love that. All white cabinets, as you can see. You got a linen closet, or if you could be another closet if you like, but typically used for linen. Large shower right there, and there's your toilet. All right, let's go back to the other side of the house. All right, we're coming down here. Just want to check out this right here, another linen closet right there. We're gonna start going counterclockwise. So here we go, dual vanity right there. Once again, quartz countertops, shower tub combo. Love that, white cabinets, tile floor. Come in, oh, come this way, jeez. All right, another one, you can fit king size bed in here, but not much else. I'll probably go more with a queen. But you come in here, you see closet right there, bang. All right, let's go to the next one. On to the next one. Another linen closet. They love their linen in these homes. All right, here's another bedroom right here. As you can see, almost identical to the other one. About the same exact size. Deeper closet though. All right, let's go to this other bedroom right here. All right, so they have a pool that's going in. They have a pavilion. They have a boat and RV storage place. First come, first serve. No additional charge for that. It's all part of your HOA fees. But let's go over to the garage. All right, there we go. There it is, 2-car garage right there. Nice. Okay, leads into your laundry room over here, so it's on the other side. Then the other bedrooms. You can put a little coat rack thing right here, like a mud room area if you're coming from the garage. Right there, bang. Let's go outside. Right, as you can see here, covered porch, screened in door like that. They discounted this home by about $15,000 because of its location. Now this is a street. Would I say it's busy? I wouldn't say it's busy, but I would say it's not busy. So there you go. They have other plans going up just like this elsewhere if you want that. So that's 160 Sugar Pine Drive in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you have any questions, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.